Plantronics is rebranded. They're now Poly, and they're producing more than just your audio devices. They're trying to make your workspace easier. Whether you work from home, work in the office, or Zoom remotely, there are so many ways in which we now have to present ourselves while working. And the better tech we have, the better we can do a job of it. So let's open up this one. This here is the P15. This is their webcam solution, specifically designed for professionals who need to get that upper edge when it comes to working either from home or making lots of Zoom calls at the office. Okay, so a lot of stuff falling. Okay. Got a bunch of cords here. And then I'm guessing we have a quick start guide here. And then here is the actual device. Couple things I want to say about this device. This is a 4K lens here on this device. It has a easy open close system there. It has auto tracking, autofocus. It's got 3 times zoom, which is really cool. And then inside here we have a really nice speaker system. On this side we have a really nice dual microphone system, and then you can see here there's even like bass support on the back here. That's really cool. On the bottom here we have our power input, our direct charge to the actual unit we're using, the connection cord there. They have a locking device if you want to lock this down. If you work in an office, you don't want someone to run away with it. And then you have multiple USB inputs right down here for your like headphones, headsets, which is really nice. As you can see here, there's no foot there. That might be interesting to you. That is because the actual base for the camera, which you would normally use to kind of clamp this onto your computer, you see it right here, it kind of sticks hard. There's actually like a rubber mat there, which is nice. This piece here is removable, and the reason they made it removable specifically was so that way if you had a tripod setup, you could set this up on like a stand like that, and then you would have this wherever you need it, wherever you want to use it, which is really cool. So that's really nice. As regards to the connector cords, it is a USB-C device. It does not come with any adapter to go back to USB-A, so you have to use USB-C for this unless you get a different cord separately. But you can get a different cord separately. It's not going to not work if you try to plug it in with a USB-A to USB-C cord connector. The power plug on this is pretty hefty. I mean, we're talking about a really high-end microphone camera setup, and it's still, you can just see from this design, it's really high-end, and it's not like just a tiny web camera. This is something specifically designed to give you that professional edge in the workspace, and that's just awesome. Well, we're going to set this up and let you see what it looks like through the camera, and we'll be back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really love companies like Poly, and it's great when they're able to reach out and work with us to connect us with devices so we can show you guys what it looks like before you make your choices for your holiday and tech solutions. Well, again, thank you so much for being here with us. Please like and subscribe, watch more of our videos, and we'll see you guys next time.